pipeline engineering. It's a special discipline that requires a unique combination of experience and talent. That's why we call the project managers, engineers, and other support staff at Gulf Interstate Engineering the pipeline people. They can do it all, from feasibility and economic studies to full-service project management, engineering, and procurement services for oil and gas production, transportation, and storage projects. Gulf Interstate also performs turnkey services in partnership with U.S. and international construction firms. Through corporate divisions and affiliates, they provide field inspection and pipeline integrity services for oil and gas transportation systems. When we say pipeline engineering, we're talking about everything from the wellhead to the export terminal. And our experienced team of professionals has contributed to the success of some of the world's most complex oil and gas projects, many with demanding environmental requirements and some of the harshest natural conditions. Here's a closer look at the people and services of Gulf Interstate Engineering. Founded in 1953 to finance, design, construct, own and operate a gas transmission system from Louisiana to West Virginia, Gulf today has designed more than 100,000 miles of pipeline and engineered pump and compressor stations with over 5 million horsepower. Since the sale of that original project, we've dedicated our full resources to become one of the world's leading oil and gas engineering firms. Over the past 50 years, we've achieved many impressive milestones. Our involvement in major projects has included assignments in North and South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, the Far East, and the Middle East. In North America, Gulf remains at the forefront of the industry with our recent involvement in the largest natural gas pipeline built in the U.S. in over 20 years, plus a high-pressure CO2 pipeline project for enhanced oil recovery, and several EPC contracts in Mexico involving both pipeline and compression facilities. In Peru, we provided project management, engineering, and construction management services on a state-of-the-art natural gas and natural gas liquids transportation system, traversing hundreds of miles of rough terrain in the Peruvian rainforest, the Andes Mountains, and the Peruvian coastal plains. In Africa, Gulf provided feed services on one of the largest heated oil pipeline systems in the world. In Russia and Kazakhstan, Gulf performed as the lead contractor, executing front-end engineering and design services for a 1,500-kilometer crude oil system with multiple pump stations. In the Middle East, Gulf has played a significant role over the last 3 decades in the development of that region's oil and gas systems. Specifically in Yemen, Gulf has provided complete design, engineering, procurement, and construction support services on one of the world's largest crude oil production facilities and pipeline projects. And in India, Gulf was selected to provide project management, engineering, design, and procurement services on the largest natural gas project in that country, spanning 1,400 kilometers across the Indian subcontinent. The successful completion of such historical landmark projects provides Gulf with the credentials to pursue energy projects around the world. Seasoned Gulf Interstate engineering specialists have consistently gotten the job done on time and within budget. Specifically, what kinds of projects benefit from Gulf Interstate's expertise? Our pipeline projects have ranged from a few miles to several thousand miles, from a few inches in diameter to as large as 60 inches. These systems have transported everything from oil and gas to jet fuel and water. When it comes to production facilities, Gulf utilizes innovative design and sound engineering processes that are critical to developing safe, efficient facilities for producing, processing, and recovering hydrocarbon liquids and gases. Pump and compressor stations are Gulf's specialty. Whether your project requires new construction or an extensive retrofit, our multidisciplined team of engineers and technicians has completed more than 500 successful projects. Storage facilities and terminals are another engineering specialty of ours. We have extensive experience in shore-based terminals, marine facilities, and underground storage caverns. Of course, today's transportation systems aren't complete without monitoring and communications capabilities, and we apply advanced SCADA technology to both new and retrofit projects. Need a full range of engineering services for your next project? We can provide total project management and engineering services from beginning to end. Or we can focus our expertise on a specific phase of your project. And with our flexible project team approach, we can field an entire task force or supplement your in-house engineering department with selected specialists, even a single expert, if that's what you need. Having a full range of engineering services is important, so let's examine what you can expect from one of the world's largest single-source engineering firms. We begin with feasibility and economic studies that examine every aspect of a project that can impact its potential profitability, such as capital and operating cost estimates, risk and sensitivity analysis. Gulf utilizes a comprehensive project management system that addresses project planning, budgeting, scheduling, progress measurement, and risk management. This progressive web-based application allows us to accurately analyze and track a project schedule, cost, and progress. And it also allows our clients as well as our management team to work collaboratively on projects regardless of their location. Right-of-way and land acquisition management is available through Gulf and may include route selection, surveying, and permit applications. To maintain the safety and reliability of your pipeline system, we also offer a full range of pipeline integrity services, including program development and risk assessment. Gulf utilizes the latest in automation and geospatial data management software tools and technology to provide efficient and cost-effective project solutions to meet the needs of our diverse client base. Gulf engineers and designers use a full suite of advanced process simulation, CAD, ArcGIS, and other analytical tools to advance your project from preliminary to detailed design. And once specifications have been set, the Gulf Interstate procurement team screens vendors, evaluates bids, inspects product, issues and expedites purchase orders, and organizes the delivery and warehousing of materials and equipment. Next, our construction management services continually monitor and analyze project progress. These services include obtaining and evaluating bids from qualified contractors, providing technical consultation, and performing quality control inspections. Finally, on project completion, we provide our clients with startup assistance, detailed operating and maintenance manuals, and the training of personnel. So why select Gulf Interstate Engineering to handle your next project? One good reason is our flexible project management approach, our on-time track record, and our commitment to bring projects in on budget. Experience, people, technology, and the flexibility to do it right. These are the strengths that enable us to continually exceed our clients' expectations. We have global full-service capabilities. We've focused on quality for more than 50 years. Most of all, what you can depend on with Gulf Interstate Engineering is a group of responsive, dedicated professionals. Because after all, we're the pipeline people and a whole lot more.